In front of me is Honor Magic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Start by launching Settings and scrolling to click on Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and choose Autofill with Google over here. Now just click on Google Password Manager to select any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen lock to confirm it's you. Click Edit button and change whatever you want to. Once you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!